Homeowners searching for window replacement Pearland TX want durable results that fit local weather and neighborhood style. From Silver Lake and Shadow Creek Ranch to Southwyke, Green Tea, and Country Place, Pearland window replacement projects often focus on comfort, curb appeal, storm protection, and lower utility bills. Whether you need replacement windows Pearland for an older property near Broadway Saint or new windows for homes, Pearland near Pearland Parkway, choosing the right materials matters. Many families ask for home window replacement Pearland solutions that combine beauty with performance, where sun exposure, humidity, and seasonal storms can put pressure on aging glass and frames. Energy savings are a major reason residential window replacement Pearland TX continues to grow across the area. Energy-efficient windows Pearland are designed to reduce heat transfer, improve indoor temperature control, and help HVAC systems work less in homes. Many customers specifically request energy-efficient window replacement Pearland TX because old panes, worn seals, and damaged frames often increase energy waste. Insulated glass windows and double-pane window replacement Pearland options are especially popular because they can help reduce outside noise, minimize drafts, and create a more comfortable home year-round in the Pearland TX area. Vinyl products remain one of the most requested upgrades for affordable and long-lasting performance. Vinyl window replacement Pearland TX is ideal for homeowners who want low-maintenance frames, clean lines, and reliable insulation without overspending. Affordable replacement windows in Pearland, Texas are often available in a wide variety of colors, sizes, and operating styles, making them a strong fit for traditional homes, modern builds, and remodeled properties alike. If you are comparing best-priced windows Pearland TX neighborhood by neighborhood, vinyl replacement windows near Pearland TX often deliver excellent value while still offering custom sizing, energy-efficient glass, and strong resistance to moisture and heat. Style selection plays a huge role when planning replacement work across different home layouts. Sliding window replacement Pearland is a popular choice for wide openings and easy operation, while casement window replacement Pearland TX works well where ventilation and tight seals are priorities. Bay window replacement Pearland can transform the look of a front elevation and create added interior space and picture window replacement. Pearland is ideal when homeowners want larger outdoor views and maximum natural light. Custom windows. Pearland TX and custom home windows. Pearland TX area services help match architectural details, homeowner preferences, and exact opening dimensions for a polished finish. Professional installation is what turns good products into home improvements. Window replacement. Pearland TX should include precise measuring, proper sealing, weather protection, insulation, and finish work that supports long-term energy performance. Pearland TX window installation and replacement services that emphasize craftsmanship can help prevent leaks, drafts, operational issues, and premature wear. Double-pane window installers Pearland, Texas, are often requested for family homes wanting better efficiency, while professional window contractors also handle custom openings, frame repair, and full home upgrades. Whether you need one opening replaced or a complete house makeover, window upgrade services in Pearland should improve beauty, efficiency, safety, and property value all at once. Local experience matters when choosing house window installers for any project size. House window installers. Pearland, who understand neighborhood construction styles, municipal expectations, and local climate conditions, can help homeowners make better long-term decisions. Residential window contractors. Pearland TX often work on newer developments with specific HOA preferences, while local window replacement Pearland TX experts may also service established communities where custom fitting is more important. The best window replacement company in Pearland TX will provide accurate measurements, quality installation, dependable scheduling, and product recommendations based on home orientation, sun exposure, and budget, rather than one-size-fits-all sales pitches. Convenience and local targeting are important for people searching online for nearby help. Window replacement Pearland TX. Window installers near Shadow Creek Ranch. Pearland TX, and Replacement Windows Pearland TX are common searches because homeowners want fast service from crews familiar with their area. Others look for window replacement service near Green Tea Pearland TX or window contractors near Pearland TX to find trusted local companies close to home. Location-based service also matters for those researching window replacement Pearland TX.